different vegetarian recipes. So today I am showing you how to boil the potato in microwave. So just you can we'll keep the potatoes washed at that. So this you can prick the potato from all the sides. So all potatoes you can prick it like that. Suppose the potato is a very big, you can cut it as a two pieces also. So now here, so I can keep directly on the turntable. So almost here I keep in for the 400 to 500 grams of potatoes here. So just we can place it like this. So now I can select micro 900 power. Set the time for 6 to 8 minutes. Last 10 seconds will be there on this one. So you can, the potatoes is boiled ready now. You can just have a look. See, this the potatoes get ready. So you want to check, you can prick here. So it will be cooks nicely. Okay, so this is you want to make it for the softly skin out will become. After this you can put it in the normal water. So you can put for the normal water for 5 minutes, then you can easily skin out the potatoes. See now this is it gets cooked. So you want to pull out the skin, you can easily pull out the skin. So it's not taking for the, when you are peeling the skin for directly it comes to more. So here once you put it on the normal water, so you can easily peel the skin on this. So like this you want to boil the potato and peel the potato skin also in the microwave. Thank you.